In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add songs to Spotify when they're not on Spotify. Now, I do want you to know that this works both on desktop and mobile only if you have a Spotify premium account. If you have a free Spotify account, you will still be able to do this, but this will only work on your desktop device. Okay, so if you have Spotify premium, you can do this both on desktop and you can then listen to the songs on your mobile phone. If you don't have a Spotify premium account, you won't be able to listen to these songs on your mobile device, but you will still be able to listen to them on desktop. Now, step number one would be to download the Spotify app on your desktop device and then open the app and go to the top left corner, click on edit and then click on preferences. That will take you to the Spotify settings, and then you want to scroll down and find local files, which is right there, and then click right there to enable it, and then you'll see local files at the left side of your screen of this little menu. Click on it, and then what it's going to do, it's going to show all files, like all the MP3 music files on your desktop device. So I don't have many MP3 files. As you can see right there, this is one of the only ones. But this is in fact a song that's not on Spotify. Now, I do want you to know that you should only do this if you have the rights to the actual song. So once you download a song onto your desktop device, you can then click right there and you have to add it to a playlist so that you will be able to find it on your mobile device. For that, you need to go to the song and then click on the three little dots and then click on add to playlist, and then you can add it right there to an existing playlist, or you can create a new one. Now I'm gonna add this to my playlist, and then if I just click right there, you'll see this is one of my playlists, pretty much the only playlist I have on this account. But let's see if I can actually find it. It should now be in this playlist. There you go. It's right there, okay? Now let me just get rid of one of these, and there you go. Now that's exactly how you can actually add songs to Spotify that are not on Spotify yet. So for this to work, you need to download the file, the MP3 file, to your desktop device, and then go to local files, and then all these files will appear. You can then add it to a playlist, and you can then find it on Spotify in your playlist, okay? Now that's exactly how this works. Like I said, if you have a Spotify premium account, you will now be able to find the song on your mobile device as well. If you don't, then you're not going to find it on your mobile device. Maybe they've updated it when you're watching this, so you might as well just check. Probably not. But yeah, that's pretty much how this works. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.